Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a functionality proof video for Vizio M470NV mainboard that was sent to us by a customer saying that it only works for like 20 seconds and then shuts off. Unlike most of our videos, this one is not for the board after repair, it is for the board out of the box. And the board out of the box is actually working without a problem. I don't need information for how it does. I'm just focusing on a few. This name was probably written by my colleague who opened the board in the first place. That's how he marks the boards so that we don't mix them, because at every given time there are tens of those around and sometimes they are mixed up. But I'm focusing on a few smaller details here so that the customer can know this is their board and knows that we're not trying to get away. Just started that, and in the process apparently disconnected the infrared sensor. Sorry about that. You put it back in. I'm busy if I watch on top. Sorry about that. Okay, finally closing, and this is our infrared. Luckily it has started in the meantime. This is our media player that can be seen from any other videos. Hooked up to the board, cheap Chinese player, getting power from USB, connected to HDMI 1. It's been around 10 seconds already, and I'm making this video after the board played for about 20 minutes. So long story short, this board is most likely not the problem. I am not saying it cannot be. Intermittent problems are always possible, but based on experience, I don't think this is where the problem will be. This is fairly unusual failure description for that board. It may be a power board problem, it may be T-con, but again, the main board here is playing just fine. So this is one of those cases where we just have to tell the customer, I'm sorry, your board is working right out of the box this time without us having it repaired, and send it back for a testing fee. Or if we do have an exchange, customer may choose to get an exchange board and eliminate the odds or greatly decrease them, okay, for this being an intermittent problem. I personally would recommend against that. I don't think this is where the problem is. Power supply maybe. I don't know, it is theoretically possible that, let's say, the T-con may short out in a way that can take down the whole TV. It could be any one of them, but it doesn't seem to be this one. So there, that is all. Best of luck.